Good morning, I'm Ryan Newton, Simon CNC, and we're back on the Traub TNC65, and today we're going to be looking at coupling up all the hydraulic components that have still been left off. That'll enable us to move forward and doing the alignments, checking all the proximity switches and checking all the turret indexing out and running up the machine. Hi, I'm Ryan Newton and it's lights out here at Simon CNC. We've had a good day at setting up. Most of the proximity switches and overloads are set, referencing calibration all done, and hopefully next week you can see us doing some alignments and get the machine up and running. So have a good weekend.